Hello YouTube, heavy metal poisoning, how to help your body. A nutritionist, therapist told how heavy metals enter our body and how to remove them with the help of proper nutrition. Heavy metals are mercury, lead, cadmium, strontium, arsenic, nickel, thallium. Usually they enter the body through the skin, cosmetics, varnish, hair dye, lungs or through the gastrointestinal tract, food, water. What happens in the body from an excess of heavy metals? In excess, they are able to change the structure of proteins, negatively affect metabolism, cause cellular mutations, disrupt the structure and permeability of cell membranes, and also cause disruption of the internal organs. This leads to a slowdown in growth in children, a weakening of the reproductive function, and to oncological diseases. Also, heavy metals are very liked by viruses, including the Epstein-Barr virus. And the more heavy metals are deposited in the body, the higher the risk of activation of viral processes. And this is an incomplete list of what causes heavy metals that enter our bodies every day. Toxic metals leave production sites through pipes along with smoke that rises into the sky and then falls with rain, penetrating into water, soil, and food. Heavy metals have a toxic effect on the central nervous system, can lead to memory impairment, apathy, etc. A person constantly feels tired, quickly gets tired, becomes distracted and irritable. He is often haunted by headaches. As you can see, poisoning with salts of heavy metals is difficult to recognize right away, since the symptoms of poisoning are easily confused with chronic diseases, the effects of fatigue, malnutrition and age-related changes. Mercury. It enters the body through the exhaust of various industries, eating large fish, tuna, broken mercury thermometers, amalgam dental fillings. Aluminum. Gets through antiperspirants, aluminum utensils, tobacco smoke, water. Lead and cadmium. They get through the exhaust gases of machines and industries, varnishes and paints, through soil and water, collected mushrooms from the roads, through tobacco smoke. Arsenic. Through foundries, seafood, varnishes and paints, tobacco smoke and rice. Diagnosis, a comprehensive urine test for the presence of heavy metals. How to remove them from the body. Eat more quality raw plant foods. Plants initially contain much less heavy metals than animal products. And, fortunately for us, they have a proven chelating effect. To date, a number of studies have already been carried out, which have clearly proven their effectiveness in binding and removing heavy metals in such plants. Cilantro, parsley, sage, caraway, coriander, tomatoes, spirulina and morena, freshly pressed linseed and sesame oil, red seaweed, wheatgrass, wild berries, especially blueberries, blue grapes, garlic, fresh juice of cilantro or any other herb. We activate the removal of heavy metals through the kidneys. Get into the habit of starting your day not with coffee, but with a glass of freshly squeezed green juice or a green smoothie. Well, the most important thing. It is necessary to limit the further intake of heavy metals in the body. Use high-quality water filters. Air purifiers, if you live in industrial areas. Try not to eat large fish, tuna, and restrict seafood. Support the functioning of the liver and biliary system. Establish a regular chair. Sweat actively and regularly. Some heavy metals also come out with sweat, during aerobic training and visits to the infrared sauna, bath. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.